Hello students, now next one, number 9, giving star mark. It is different type. Number 9. Values of x, y and z given, then find the value of this. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. There is one trick, we have to apply that. What is that? Here you write this 2 by 2. Why I am doing this? Next step it will be clear to you. Then half keep outside, and these two multiply throughout, with all the terms multiply by 2. 2x square plus 2y square, like this way multiply throughout. This is an interesting sum. Yeah. Then next step, half is outside, it will remain outside. Then see here what I am doing. 2x square, clear? 1x square I am writing, and minus 2xy taken. So here xy. So from here I am taking 1y square, first bracket, plus I have taken next term yz. So I need y and z paired with this. So 1y square I have taken. There is 2y square. Another one is left. So y square minus 2yz plus z square plus there is zx. So z square minus 2zx plus x square. Now take one. X square plus x square, 2x square adjusted, y square plus y square, 2y square, z square plus z square, 2z square, and 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Clear? Why I have done this? To fit it in a formula. Now next step, you know, it is x minus x square minus 2xy plus y square, means x minus y whole square. Similarly, second one, y minus z whole square. Third one, z minus x whole square. This is interesting. Now we will put the values. X is given 997. So 997 minus value of y 998 whole square plus y 998 minus z is 999 plus z is 999 minus x is 997 whole square. Here I have not done anything, just I have put the values of x, y and z. Then calculate. Half is already there outside. So 997 minus 998, that means minus 1 whole square, plus again minus 1 whole square, plus 999 2 square, half, minus 1 whole square means positive 1 plus 1 plus 4, 6 by 2. Answer is 3. Checking the answer, sum number 9. Sum number 9, answer is 3. So it is very interesting sum. That's why I have given star mark. First, what is given. After that, second step, 2 by 2 we have done. Clear? then half keep outside of the bracket, and then 2 multiply with all the terms. Then you will make pair x to bring it x minus y whole square form, y minus z whole square form, z minus x whole square form. Then ultimately we have put the values are given, we have put the values and we have calculated. You will practice this sum. Number 10. Is there any term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 1 by x whole cube? So we have to expand by using formula of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square into b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Then what we are getting, 1x will be there, 1x will be there. So x cube plus 3x plus 3 by x plus 1 by x cube. So your question is that, is there any term independent of x in the expansion of this? No. In all the terms you check, there is x. So your answer will be no. Clear? Then next one. When it will be written that expansion, so you have to apply first formula, a plus b whole cube, first formula. Number 11, it is given 3x plus 1 by 5x equals to 9, given. Then calculate the value of 125. Now here also see one trick we have to apply. We have to calculate the value of this. Okay, there is given this, but you have to calculate 125x cube. So 125x cube means 5x whole cube. So here we need 5x, clear? And 27x cube means here we need, instead of 5x, we need here 3x. So how to do that? If I multiply both sides by 5 by 3, then see what is coming. Multiply by 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 into 1 by 5x equals to, both sides you have to multiply. 3 cancel out, and here 5. So what we are getting? We are getting 5x plus 1 by 3x equals to 15. Now see 5x. So if you cube it, 125x cube will come. Got? So one thing you have to do only, what is given, here you have to multiply by 5 by 3 both sides. Then you have to find out the value of 125x cube plus 1 by 27x cube. Then apply formula. 125x cube means we can write 5x whole cube, and here 1 by 3x whole cube. Now a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b, value of a plus b we know 15. Okay, so a cube plus b cube, what is the formula? Now we have to apply that formula. A plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now this value already had got 15. So 15 whole cube minus x3 cancelled out, 5 into 15. Now 15 whole cube. 15 sorry. 15 whole cube. I have to do it here. 225 again multiply by 15. Three 375 minus 75. So your answer is 3300. Sorry, 3300. That is your answer. Clear? So in this way you will do. Now next one in next video.